Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel and I'm back with another video. Yeah, so I know y'all saw the title, so come unbox my new weight bench with me. Yes, y'all, it's that serious. I did purchase a weight bench. You know, don't judge, okay? I'm actually low-key building my own home gym. Y'all, I have a walking pad, I have a stationary bicycle, I have those adjustable weights that y'all see in the background. Those go up to, I want to say 55 pounds each. I have other weights, I have dumbbells, I have kettlebells, I have a resistance ball, I have resistance bands, all the things, okay? If you do not know, I'm currently on my weight loss journey. I'm currently in my 75 soft plan or challenge. I don't get the line to say how many days we're at. I want to say I started October the 18th. I know as of December 31st or January 1st, that will be my 75th day. So we're still chugging along. Now, I have not been updating y'all like I should, so please don't hold that against me. But I'm going to be doing my own rendition of vlogmas. It's going to be FITMAS. So I'm going to be posting 25 days of content related to fitness or getting fit, all those things. Now, I will also be showing y'all all my home gym equipment, or, you know, all my workout equipment that I have at home. Yes, I do have a gym membership, but I don't go. I always work out at home, y'all. So since I've been doing the 75 soft challenge, my daily routine is to wake up in the morning before work and do an hour on the walking pad. And then after I get off work, I do my workouts with Sydney Cummings here on YouTube. I'll have her channel linked down below. And she does a lot of strength training and weightlifting, which I love. So in the morning, I'm getting my steps in so I can, you know, reach my 10K step goal. And then in the evenings, of course, I'm getting my weightlifting in, you know, just trying to build some muscle, lose some fat, you know, all those things. So yeah, we're going to do 25 days of fitness. I'm going to try to keep it going for the remaining of December. So I'll be posting daily, showing y'all what I'm working, showing y'all what workouts I'm doing, what I'm eating, all those good things. But yes, y'all, so this is my new weight bench that I got from Amazon. I will have that link down below. Now, I actually purchased this back in October when I was first starting my 75 soft challenge, and I use this at least 3 times a week. I use it for weightlifting as well as for deep core exercises, y'all. We're trying to get the stomach on flat. So yes, this adjustable weight bench is very versatile, which I love. It was very easy to put together, as you've been seeing here. It's very simple. It pretty much came together, but you can definitely adjust it to whatever your needs are. So at the time that I purchased mine, I think I got it for maybe $69.99. I'm not 100% sure. I did check the pricing today, and I believe it's right now on sale for maybe $70 or $75. But like I said, I will have it linked down below in the description so that if you're interested, you can go ahead and purchase yours as well. Now, what I love about this, like I said, is versatile. It's easy to put together. It's easy to actually fold down if you see the state that it was in before I unfolded it. So I can fold it down and basically put it away, tuck it away, so it's not taking up a lot of space in my home. So I love that. And again, a lot of her workouts with Sydney Cummings, she uses a weight bench, which actually inspired me to get my own, and I have never looked back. Okay, now I think the total time me putting this together was less than 10 minutes. Yeah, y'all, it's very simple, easy to do. The shipping was fast. I actually think it came next day. I have Amazon Prime, so if you have Prime, you may get it in 1 to 2 days. So yes, I just wanted to show you guys my new purchase, or my new addition to getting this body together, y'all. This was a great purchase, and I'm so happy I finally broke down and got me one. Again, I got it from Amazon. The shipping was super fast. I think I got it actually next day. like literally next day. And it is so versatile and easy to fold down, so you can put it up and out the way, you know, so it does not take up room in your home. I really felt like this weight bench would help just take my workouts to the next level, help me with my range of motion, all the good things, because I'm doing a lot of weight lifting on top of cardio. So this is amazing. As you see, I lift my weights on here. I do my core exercises. This allows me to feel these exercises deep in my core. So if you're looking to do some deep core exercises, pull out your weight bench. Go ahead and get you one. I do my step ups, which help with, of course, the glutes, the legs. You know, we're just trying to get it together, y'all. This was a great purchase. So if you're on your weight loss journey and you have the means and the space, go ahead and get your weight bench. Like I said, you can fold it up and put it out of the way, but it definitely does take your exercises to the next level. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.